Welcome to Future Cars Updates, where we bring you the most exciting upcoming vehicles before they hit the streets. Today, we have something truly legendary, an iconic name reborn with modern technology and raw power. This is the 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 409, a car that pays tribute to its muscle car heritage while embracing the future. Back in the 1960s, the Chevrolet Impala SS 409 was a symbol of American muscle. Its powerful V8 engine and sleek design made it a favorite among car enthusiasts. Now, Chevrolet is bringing it back, but with a modern twist. The question is, can it live up to the legacy of its predecessor? Let's dive into the details and find out. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Impala SS 409 is its stunning exterior design. Chevrolet has blended classic muscle car styling with futuristic elements, creating a car that turns heads wherever it goes. The front end features a bold grille with the iconic SS badge sitting proudly in the center. Slim, aggressive LED headlights give the car a sharp and modern look, while the sculpted hood hints at the power lurking beneath. Moving along the sides, the muscular fenders and aerodynamic lines create a dynamic and sporty profile. Chevrolet has carefully designed the body to enhance performance while maintaining a strong visual presence. The 20-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in performance tires, add to the aggressive stance of the car. At the rear, the quad exhaust tips and LED taillights pay homage to the classic Impala SS while embracing modern technology. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 409 truly lives up to its name. Chevrolet has brought back the legendary 409 cubic inch V8 engine, but this time, it's been re-engineered with the latest technology. Featuring direct injection, variable valve timing, and a twin-turbo setup, this beast delivers an estimated 650 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. That's serious power for a full-size performance sedan. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Impala SS 409 offers lightning-fast gear shifts and an exhilarating driving experience. For those who crave full control, a 6-speed manual option will also be available, because true muscle car enthusiasts know that nothing beats the feeling of a stick shift. Performance-wise, the new Impala SS 409 is built to dominate. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just under 3.5 seconds, this car is a force to be reckoned with. Chevrolet has equipped it with a high-performance suspension system, adaptive dampers, and a limited slip differential to ensure maximum grip and handling. Whether you're launching from a standstill or carving through corners, this Impala is designed to deliver an unforgettable ride. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that perfectly balances luxury and sportiness. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, including premium leather seats with SS badging, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a premium Bose audio system that delivers crystal-clear sound. Chevrolet has also packed the 2025 Impala SS 409 with the latest technology and driver assistance features. It comes with advanced safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. For performance enthusiasts, there's a customizable drive mode selector, allowing you to fine-tune the car's settings for different driving conditions. One of the most exciting aspects of the new Impala SS 409 is its ability to blend classic muscle car vibes with modern innovation. Chevrolet has even included an active exhaust system that allows drivers to switch between different sound profiles, from a deep, aggressive growl to a quieter, refined tone for daily driving. Fuel efficiency isn't typically a priority for muscle cars, but Chevrolet has implemented cylinder deactivation technology to improve fuel economy when cruising on the highway. This means you get the best of both worlds, raw power when you need it and efficiency when you don't. With the return of the Impala SS 409, Chevrolet is sending a clear message: muscle cars are not dead. In an era where electric and hybrid vehicles are taking over, the Impala SS 409 proves that there's still room for high-performance V8-powered machines that offer an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. However, Chevrolet is also exploring hybrid technology for the future, and rumors suggest that a hybrid variant of the Impala SS 409 could be in the works. If this happens, we might see an electrified boost to the already powerful V8 engine, pushing performance to an entirely new level. As for pricing, Chevrolet has yet to announce official numbers, but industry experts predict that the 2025 Impala SS 409 will start around $60,000, with fully loaded versions reaching closer to $80,000. Given the performance and features packed into this car, it's a competitive price for a modern muscle sedan. So, what do you think of the 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 409? Is it the perfect blend of classic muscle and modern performance, or do you think Chevrolet should have taken a different approach? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to future cars updates for more in-depth looks at upcoming vehicles. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the hottest cars coming to the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.